Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones.ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a variant which was 2013 release. It was Nokia Lumia 520 out here. Yes, talking about Nokia Lumia 520, we can see that this kind of variants, when they were released, they were launched out. We can see that these variants had a very good we can say upgradation out there because इनमें आपको normal operating system नहीं देखने को मिलता. You get to see something really exclusive which was the Windows operating system out there. Yes, Windows operating system आ चुका है Nokia में. So we are going to talk about this variant. Talking about Nokia Lumia 520 out here and talking about this variant specifically, we can say that this is a lightweighted variant which has a weightage of less than 130 grams. Yes, the 130 से भी कम weighted lightweight phone है. And with Gorilla front out there, so protection is there, Gorilla Glass protection is there. Since Gorilla Glass है तो light weighted कैसे है? Because it has a plastic framework and plastic body, so it balances out. So it's a light weighted version. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, it's a fully touchscreen phone. So it has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. Yes, you get to see IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen because it's touch phone out there. With a size of 4 inches, you will get to see that the size is dynamic increase in it. From 2 inches, 2.3, 2.4 to directly 4-inch size. So that's a wonderful feature out here. स्क्रैच रेजिस्टेंस ग्लास भी है, सिर्फ गोरिल्ला ग्लास नहीं है. यू हैव स्क्रैच रेजिस्टेंस टू प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. Whereas when we talk about the operating system, we already know that Lumia works on Windows version. Yes, Lumia works on Windows version, and this can be seen in this variant too. Whereas you get to see the expandability also because offering 8 GB and good quality cameras and everything, it needs some expandability too. Expandability है. Expandability इसलिए है क्योंकि 8 GB is not a sufficient variant and you need expandability as well as इसमें साथ ही साथ 512 MB की RAM भी देखने को मिल रही है. So we can say कि overall it's a good version. Whereas when we talk about the camera quality, 5 megapixel का rear camera है with no selfie camera right now. Yes, no selfie camera is available in Nokia Lumia 520 right now. बट अपग्रेडेड वर्जन है, बहुत अच्छा वर्जनैलिटी कही जा सकती है. 3.5 जैक है, लाउड स्पीकर है, यू गेट टू सी ऑल द स्पेसिफिकेशंस. प्रॉक्सिमिटी है, इसमें एक्सीलरोमीटर है, साथ ही साथ ब्लूटूथ कनेक्टिविटी है, रेडियो है, जीपीएस टेक्नोलॉजी है. एवरीथिंग कैन बी सीन आउट है. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस वेरिएंट, वी कैन से इट हैज गॉट अ गुड battery life because offering 1400 mAh battery life is really a good version with 2G and 3G technology. Yes, and plus Microsoft Windows operating system has a definitely battery life plays a very vital role in it. So battery life is very good out here. It can be given a great advantage to this variant. Since this variant offers really good variations, so every site offers you some or the different pricing. And pricing matters a lot when it is worth investing. If it's worth investing, then it's really amazing out here. So let us go to a site or visit a site which offers a worth investing price. The site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is a site name. And here you get to see not just Nokia's variant but n number of gadgets from these reputed companies. As well as अगर हम बात करें इस साइट की तो सर्च आइकन पे आप सर्च कर सकते हैं अपना फेवरेट गैजेट. यस, यू कैन सर्च योर फेवरेट गैजेट आउट हियर. So we can search this out and we can search the results. So results are out. As we can see the results, we get to see we have a description box offering a lot of specifications and all the specifications are mentioned out for the gadget. मतलब आप specification search करना चाहें तो आप description box में देख सकते हैं आराम से. Apart from this, you get to see that this variant has a condition written over it, that is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished condition and then we will talk about the brand new and the pricing of it. So let us know about and how is it beneficial. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished, when we say the word refurbished and when we talk about refurbishedness, we can say that refurbished product means creating something new, like, or we can say something from the old one to the new one, something like that we can say. Or if we go with the terminology of refurbished, we can say that it is exactly the same product as it was original with better, we can say, usage capacity now. But like we can say that this is quite a similar product as it was earlier. Whereas brand new, which is always, we can say, is dedicated or has been brought up by the company or the base out there. Refurbished और brand new में ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता. We won't say that there's a difference out here. Refurbished and brand new both are quite similar. They are actually similar. Why they are similar? Why they are, we say they are quite same? Because the path where brand new ends, मतलब जहाँ brand new का path end होता है वहीं से refurbished का path start होता है. Yes, it starts from there. Now when we talk about refurbished product, it is extension of brand new. Yes, brand new extension कहा जा सकता है. How? We know the passage for brand new. It's the company out there which brings any gadget, any model out in the market. The company, then marketplace is there, then the user or the consumer out there. Now the end the brand new है, मतलब brand new यहाँ पर आके खत्म हो जाता है. अब इसका extension क्या है? Now the user wants to sell its used phone out है और pre-owned phone out है. So it is sold out to the marketplace. Here the user becomes the base and the marketplace remains the same. Now it is again used by the another user. Yes, this is the extension to it. So we can say this is almost the same thing out there. Now when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar because the tests are actually same. इनकी पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, टेस्ट जो हम करते हैं, स्पेसिफिकेशन सेम होती है, सब कुछ सेम होता है. When talking about this, we can say that refurbished product और brand new product में क्या similarity है? We can say that the brand new products out there, brand new products में हम connectivity देखते हैं, speakers देखते हैं, camera देखते हैं, display देखते हैं, everything related to the internal factors, external factors, everything is seen out there. So do we see in the refurbished product. Now coming back to refurbished products parameter, we check the display. Yes, when we check the display, we check whether it's working properly or not, whether it has any scratch or not, whether it's broken or not. Buttons has to be checked. Yes, all the buttons, keypads out there has to be checked. Camera quality, video quality, audio quality has to be checked. The external factors like the scratches, we already checked. The battery out there, battery has to be checked out. Then we have to check out all the factors which are involved internally, like the operating system. Yes, operating system check करना होता है. CPU, GPU, उसका GPS अगर है, accelerometer, gyrometer, compass, all the internal factors involving it, like sim recognition है, data wiping है, everything, each and everything has to be checked. So overall, we have 29 big parameters out there and sub parameters in each category, like एक internal factors हो जाते हैं. So these 29 parameters says that yes, this is one of the good variant out there. जब ये टेस्ट हो जाता है, then it is given a certificate that yes, refurbished products are good to use. Now when we talk about refurbished products, we can say that refurbished products have few benefits. Number one, उनके advantages क्या कह सकते हैं? The benefit is like it gives you savings. Yes, you get to have savings. Now when we talk about savings, we can say you can save up to 15%. How? Because you get pocketable rates for your favorite products. Yes, when we talk about pocketable rates, brand new products are exclusively high rated products out there. Yes, when they are launched, they are quite high rated, and you can save up to 15%. When we talk about this brand new product, we can say they offers you 1 year warranty period. And when we don't buy from sites or we don't have a condition written out on the phones, then you don't get the warranty period. But for refurbished products, you get warranty of 6 months. 6 महीने की वारंटी पीरियड भी मिलती है, so you get to have 6 months warranty period. Along with that, you get to have 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you get to have 7-day exchange policy along with that. So we can say that this is good variation out here. Profitable rates है, savings है, 6 months warranty है, 7-day exchange policy. Everything is out here, so you can definitely enjoy it. And when we talk about this variant, when we talk about refurbished products, the site we were talking about, the site we have been looking for a very long time, this site phoneZone.ae, which I am highlighting, is the site out here. Phones.ae provides you a good variety or a good variance out there. We can say yes. We can say that this provides you good variety out there. Not just one brand out here, not just one brand. There are n number of brands in the category of all mobile phones. Whereas when we talk about the site, on this site you get to see that 6 months warranty, 70 exchange policy is already there. You get to have this policy. Apart from that, you get to have additional benefits of COD and free shipping. Yes, you get to have COD and free shipping out there, which says that you get to have free delivery out at your doorsteps. And delivery timing might vary for 48 hours to 1 week, like 48 hours in most of the parts of UAE on this site, whereas it might take up to a week time for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take a week time, but for rest of the places it takes just 48 hours. So you can check out the website for best pricing or call on helpline number. Description has the link. You can check it out. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.